How much? How many? How much? How much for uncountable nouns? Okay. How many for countable nouns? How much? How many? Too much? Too many? A little? A few? How much uncountable? Too much uncountable? A little uncountable? How many countable? Too many countable? A few countable? How much ဆိုရင်ဘယ်လောက်လဲ how many ကလည်းဘယ်လောက်လဲ too much ဆိုရင်များလွန်းတယ် too many များလွန်းတယ် a little နည်းနည်း a few နည်းနည်းနည်းနည်းလို့ပြောရင် a little countable ဆိုရင် a few uncountable ဆိုရင် a little ဟုတ်ပြီနော်example how much milk do you want not too much not too much အများကြီးမလိုဘူး just a little နည်းနည်းပဲ how many cookies do you want not too many just a few okay here you are here you are thanks thanks here you are ဆိုလှမ်းပေးနေပြောနော်လှမ်းပေး here you are your လို့ပြောခြင်းတဲ့သဘောရရနော်ဗျ how much ဆိုရင် uncountable how many ဆိုရင် countable အဓိပ္ပာယ်ကဘယ်လောက်လဲဘယ်လောက်များများလဲအရေးအတွက်သိချင်တယ်နော် too much ဆိုရင်များလွန်းတယ် not too much ဆိုရင်အများကြီးမဟုတ်ဘူးပေါ့ not too much countable ကြတော့ not too many နည်းနည်းလေးဆို a little a few အဲ့ဒီပုံစံကိုကြည့်ပြီးအောက်က rice uncountable question how much rice do you want not too much just a little just a little okay here you are thanks okay let's do it again how much rice
How much rice do you want? Not too much, just a little. Okay, here you are. Thanks.
okay number 2 french fries how many how many not too many how many french fries
How many French fries do you want? Not too many, just a few. Okay, here you are. Thanks.
3 ice cream
How much ice cream do you want? Not too much, just a little. Okay, here you are. Thanks.
coffee
How much coffee?
how much
How much coffee do you want?
How
How much coffee do you want? Not too much,
Just
just a little. Okay, here you are. Thanks.
meatballs
How many
meatballs do you
do
want
you want? Not too many, just a little few.
just a few
Just a few. Okay, here you are. Thanks.
we have a guest here we have a guest okay အဲ့တော့ကိုယ့်အကိုဟိုလေးတစ်ခုလောက်စဉ်းစားကြည့်ပေါ့ဒီပြီးတော့ပြောမယ် how many ဒီပြီးတော့ခေါင်းထဲမှာ orange ပေါ်လာ how many oranges do you want
Not
Not too many, just a
Just
few.
a few.
okay here you
Okay,
are
here you are. Thanks.
အဲ့တော့ဒီပြီးတော့မေးဦးဇင်းတို့အဖြေပေါ့နော် how many oranges do you want not too many
Too much, just a few.
not too many
Not
Not
too
too
many,
many,
just a few.
Okay, here you are. Thanks.
ဟုတ်ပြီနောက်တစ်မျိုးမေးကြည့်မယ် how much cheese do you want
Not too much.
just
Not too much, just a little. Okay, here you are. Thanks.
ဟုတ်ပြီဦးဇင်းတို့အစားအသောက်ပစ္စည်းတွေတည်ထားကြပဲနော်အဲ့တော့ခေါင်းထဲမှာတစ်ခုစဉ်းစားလိုက်မေ့သွားရင်ရှေ့မှာပြန်ကြည့်လို့ရတယ်ရှေ့မှာဟိုမှာ page number 11မှာပြန်ကြည့်လို့ရတယ်
How much money?
page number 11ကိုပြန်ကြည့်လိုက်ပြန်တယ်နော် apple ဆိုရင်မိကောက
How many
apple?
how many apples do you
How
want
many apples do you want?
Not
Not
too many.
Just a few.
Just a few. Okay
Okay,
Okay,
here you are.
Thanks.
ဟုတ်ပြီကဲအဲ့တော့အဲ့ထဲကနေပြီးတော့ဆရာလေးကတစ်ခုဦးလေးကိုမေးကြည့်လိုက်အဲ့ဒီကြိုက်တာရွေးပြီ
How many oranges? How
the
many
not-
or how many orange?
just two.
How many oranges do you want?
Not too many, not too many, just a few.
ဟုတ်ပြီဆရာလေးကပြောမယ် okay
Okay,
here you
here
are
you are.
Thanks.
thanks ဟုတ်ပြီဦးလေးလက်ကြိုက်တာရွေး
How much mix? How much fish? How much fish do you want?
Do you want not too much, just a little. Okay, just a little.
Okay, here you are.
Thanks.
Thanks.
ရနော်
Yeah.
ဟုတ်ပြီ
What's that matter?
how much money
How much? You don't know.
ရေးတယ်မြာ how much money ပတ်စံကတစ်ချက်နှစ်ချက်ကတော့ရေးလို့ရတာပေါ့ဒါပေမဲ့ဒီမှာ तू က idea အနေနဲ့ fish လို့ပဲငါးတစ်ကောင်နှစ်ကောင်မျိုးမဟုတ်ဘူးဟိုပါပေါ့စားတဲ့ငါ meat လို့ပေါ့ meat the fish တို့ okay next one role play ဆိုတာဟိုကလုပ်ကြည့်ရမှာဟိုပါပေါ့တယောက်နဲ့တယောက်ခုနပြောသလိုပြောကြည့်ရမှာ would you care for some more ဆိုကြည့်အောင် would you
Would you
care for
some
some more would you care for some more
Which
Would you care for
some
some
more?
more?
အဲ့တော့နည်းနည်းလောက်ထပ်ယူအောင်မလားဆိုတာကို would you care for some more okay some of your friends are having dinner at your home အဲ့လိုဟာကိုနားလည်ဖို့ဆိုရင် some of your friends တပိုင်း are having dinner at your home ဒီလိုသုံးပိုင်းခွဲဖက်လိုက်နားလည်နော်လောလောလေး how do they like the food ask them okay how do you like the chocolate cake how do you like the chocolate cake I think it's delicious they are delicious choose one where are you chocolate
It's
cake
delicious.
it's delicious I'm glad you like it you like them uncountable you like it
It.
would you care for some more yes please but not
Too much.
too much just
Just a
a
little.
little my doctor says that
Too much.
too much chocolate cake
Chocolate cake
is bad for
bad for
my health
health.
okay let's do it again number A how do you like the
How do you like the
chocolate cake
Okay.
how do you like the
cake?
chocolate cake ဆို chocolate cake ဘယ်နဲ့တော့ကြိုက်သလားလို့မေးတာနော်ကြိုက်သလား I think
I think
It's
I think it's
delicious
delicious.
I'm glad
I'm glad,
I'm glad you like
it.
it ကြိုက်တာဝမ်းသာပါတယ် would you
Would you
care for some more?
Yes, please.
yes please
Yes, please. But not
too much.
Just
Just
a little.
my doctor says that
My daughter
says လို့တာအတွက် says that
My daughter said that
too much.
chocolate cake is
Chocolate is
bad for
my
my
health.
health.
okay cookies plural form okay how do you like the
How do you like
How do you
that
like the
cookies
cookie?
I think
I think
I think
they are
they are
I think they are
delicious.
delicious
I am glad you like them.
then
Would you like for some more?
would you care for
Would you care for some more? Yes, please.
Yes,
But
please, but
not too much.
too
Too much.
no
Or
Too
too
many.
many
Too many.
Too many, just a few.
My daughter said that too many chocolate cake are
no cookies
cookies are bad for my health.
စားကျင်တာပဲစဉ်းစားတယ် ice cream
Ice cream. How do you like the ice cream?
How do you like
Like
the
that
ice cream?
I think
I think it's
is
delicious. I bet you like
I'm
it.
glad to like it.
Would you
Wish
care
you
more?
care
Some
for some
more?
more. Yes,
Yes, please.
That's
But
not
not too much.
too much.
Too
Too
much.
much.
Just
Just
a
a
little.
little.
My doctor said that
too
too much ice cream is bad for my health.
The chocolate cake, cookies, ice cream. Okay. Okay. How do you say it? ဒါကတော့စကားပြောတင်တာပါ COMPLIMENTING complementing
COMPLIMENTING.
complement ဆိုတာဟိုချီးကျူးတာနော် complimenting about food အစားအသောက်ကိုချီးကျူးတဲ့အခါမှာပြောတဲ့စကား this chicken မလို့ this ထိုဘက်က potatoes these potatoes this chicken uncountable this chicken countable potatoes these potatoes this chicken is delicious I'm glad you like it these potatoes are delicious I'm glad you like them it to them လို့ပြောင်းသွားတာတတိထားမိလားရလား this kitchen ဘာဖြစ်လို့ this တုံးလဲ this chicken က uncountable မလို့ these potatoes ဘာဖြစ်လို့ these တုံးလဲ countable မလို့ I'm glad you like it it က uncountable chicken ကိုပြောလို့ I'm glad you like them က countable potatoes ကိုပြောလို့တော့ဘော chocolate cake ကိုပြန်စဉ်းစားကြည့်အောင် this chocolate cake is delicious I'm glad
you like it.
Cookies
These cookies are delicious. I'm glad you like them.
You like them. Ice cream. This ice cream is
delicious. I'm glad you like it.
Obi. Boga. Page number 14 ကိုပြန်ကြည့်လိုက်ရအောင် French fries ကိုကြည့်ပြီးတော့ this French fries လား these French fries လား these French fries are
delicious. I'm glad you like them.
Okay, coffee.
This
coffee is delicious. I'm glad you like it.
Okay, meatballs.
These meatballs are delicious. I'm glad you like them.
You like them. အဲ့တော့အောက်မှာဟိုကျယ်ဝင်လေးနဲ့ပြထားတာ delicious နောက်တစ်မျိုး very good excellent excellent are very good လို့ပြောတယ်နော် wonderful fantastic delicious very good excellent wonderful fantastic ဆိုကြည့်ပါဦး delicious
very good excellent wonderful fantastic
ဟုတ်ပြီအဲ့အကောင်လုံးက very good လို့ပြောတာကြီးပဲနော်အဲ့အကောင်လုံးကိုနှုတ်တိုးနေအောင်စလုံးပေါင်းလို့ကြက်ထားအောင်နော် Okay reading reading ကို reading မလုပ်သေးပဲနဲ့နားထောင်ကြည့်လိုက်ပြန်မကြည့်ပဲနဲ့နော်ပြီးတော့ဖတ်ပြမယ်ဖြည့်ပြီးgroceries ဆိုတဲ့ဟာလေးတော့မှတ်တာ GROCERIES 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 ဆိုတာပြောလို့စားတောက်ဖို့ချက်ဖို့ပြုတ်ဖို့ပစ္စည်းတွေ groceries လို့ခေါ်တယ်နော်ပုံနဲ့ကြည့်လိုက်ရင်သိပါတယ်အဲ့ဒါတွေက groceries တွေရနော်ပြန်ဟုတ်ပြီအဲ့ဒါဆိုရင်တောင်းမကြည့်တော့ဘူးနားထောင်မယ် Henry is at the supermarket ခဏလေးနော်လူရစာပိုင်လေးကိုဖတ်ပြမယ်နော် Henry is at the supermarket. နားမလည်ပြောနော် and he's really upset.
Yeah, what?
No, he is not happy. He is not happy. He just bought some groceries. Bought some groceries. And he can't believe. He just spent $60. Spent. $60. He bought only a few oranges, a few apples, a little milk, a little ice cream, and a few eggs. Yeah. He also bought just a little coffee, a few onions, a few bananas, a little rice, a little cheese, and a few lemons. He didn't buy very much fish. He didn't buy very many grapes. And he didn't buy very much meat. Henry just spent $60, but he is walking out of the supermarket with only 2 bags of groceries. BHES bags. 2 bags of groceries. No wonder. No wonder he is upset. နားလည်လားဗျာနားမလည်တဲ့အခါရှိပြောနော်ပြီးတော့တစ်ချောင်းစီဖတ်ပြမယ်ပြန်စဉ်းစားပါဦးစာမကြည့်ဘူးနော်ဗျာနားထောင် Henry is at the supermarket. He is really upset. He just bought some groceries and he can't believe he just spent $60. He bought only a few oranges, a few apples, a little milk, a little ice cream, and a few eggs. He also bought just a little coffee, a few onions, a few bananas, a little rice, a little cheese, and a few lemons. He didn't buy very much fish. He didn't buy very many grapes, and he didn't buy very much meat. Henry just spent $60, but he is walking out of the supermarket with only 2 bags of groceries. No wonder he is upset. ဟုတ်ပြီကိုယ့်ကိုပြန်ဖတ်ကြည့်ပါဦးဗျာဖြည်းဖြည်းဖတ်တာစိတ်ထဲရပဲနားမလည်တဲ့နေရာမေးပါ စိတ်ထဲအရင်ဖတ်လိုက်ဗျာနားမလည်တာရှိပြီဗျာပြန်ကြည့်လို့ရှိရင်he bought only a few oranges a few လို့သုံးတာ oranges မလို့ a few apples countable now plural a little milk uncountable now a little ice cream a few eggs ဟုတ်ပြီနော် and a little coffee a few onions a few bananas a little rice a little cheese a few lemons okay နောက်တစ်ခါ not very much fish okay not very many grapes not very much meat ဟုတ်ပြီနော်အဲ့တော့ပုံလေးကိုပဲကြည့်မယ်ဗျပုံလေးကိုကြည့်မယ်ပုံလေးကိုကြည့်တဲ့အခါမှာဒီလိုဒီဘောပေါ်မှာရေးထားတာရှိတယ် clockwise နဲ့ counter clockwise 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 နိုင်သွားတယ်လို့လက်ရရဲ့နော် counter clockwise COUNTER counter နော်ဟိုက clockwise အဲ့ဒါကလက်ဝဲရဲ့ clockwise ဆိုတာလက်ရရဲ့ counter clockwise ဆိုတာလက်ဝဲရဲ့ဟုတ်ပြီအဲ့တော့ okay look at the picture okay so clockwise apples နောက်တစ်ခုကပါလဲ juice တယ် juice လား juice coffee eggs onions banana rice cheese lemons fish grapes meat
orange
tomatoes
tomato
ဟုတ်တယ်နော်အဲ့တော့ apples ကိုကြည့်ရင် a little လား a few လား a few apples
a few apple
နောက်တစ်ခုက juice
a little
juice
စာထဲမှာ juice လား milk လား milk okay a little milk နောက်တစ်ခုက a little coffee a few eggs ပြီးတော့
a little
milk okay
a few
onions
a few
bananas
banana
a little
rice a little
cheese
a few
lemons
a little fish a few
grapes
a little meat a few
tomatoes ဟုတ်ပြီအဲ့ဒါကိုနောက်တစ်မျိုးပြောကြည့်အောင် a few apples ဆိုရင်ပန်းသီးနည်းနည်း
a few apple
ဟုတ်ပြီနော်အဲ့မှာ not too many apples ဆိုရင်ပန်းသီးတွေအများကြီးမဟုတ်ဘူးလို့ပြောတယ် not too many apples ဒီဘက်က milk ကျတော့ not too much milk not too much milk နောက်ဒီဘက်က coffee not too much coffee not too much coffee eggs not too many eggs okay
not too much
milk
not too many onion
onions not too many bananas
not much rice
not much rice
not much
cheese
not many not too many lemons not too much fish not too much fish not many
not too many grapes
not too much
meat not
too many
tomatoes အဲ့တော့စာကြောင်းလေးတပြီးတော့လုပ်ကြည့်မယ်နော်နားထောင်ကြည့် he just bought a few apples he just bought a few apples he just bought a little milk he just bought a little coffee တော့ပေါ့လားလေ okay ပြန်ပြောကြည့် apples he just bought
a few apples
just ဆိုတာလေးတင်လို့ပြောတာနော် he just bought a few apples ပန်းသီးလေးနည်းနည်းလေးတင်ဝယ်တာနော် he just bought
a little milk he just bought a little coffee he just bought a few
eggs.
A few eggs.
eggs.
He
He
just
just
bought
bought
a
a
little
little
milk.
meat.
He just bought
little
a few onions.
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 Onion. He
He
just
just
bought
bought
a few
a few
banana. He
He
just bought a little
little
rice. He
He
just
just
bought
bought
a
a
little
little
cheese.
cheese.
He just bought a few
lemon.
Lemon.
He just
He
bought
just
a little fish.
Little fish.
He just bought a few grapes. He just bought a little meat. He just bought a few tomato.
Okay. He didn't buy too many apples.
He didn't buy too many
apples.
apples.
He didn't buy
He didn't buy
too
many-
much
too much
milk.
Meat.
He didn't buy too much coffee. He didn't buy too many eggs. He didn't buy too much milk.
Meat.
He didn't buy too many onions.
အဲ onions အပေါ်ကပရင်းပေါက်ကြီးလားမသိပါဘူး။ milk ကအပေါ်မှာပါပြီးသား Okay bananas
He didn't buy
too many banana. He didn't buy too much rice. He didn't buy too much cheese. He didn't buy too many lemon. He didn't buy too much fish. He didn't buy too many grapes. He didn't buy too much meat. He didn't buy too many
tomatoes ဟုတ်ပြီနော်အဲ့တော့ he is very upset he is very upset ဘာဖြစ်လို့လဲ he just spent $60 Okay, questions and answer. Reading checkup. Okay. How many oranges did he buy? How many oranges did he buy? He bought only a few oranges. How much milk did he buy? He bought only a little milk. Okay, how much, how many? Okay, so look at the picture again. Look at the picture and you see apples. How many apples did he buy?
He
bought only a few apples. Okay, milk.
How much meat did he buy? He bought only a little meat.
Coffee.
How much coffee did he buy? He bought only a little coffee.
Eggs.
How many eggs did he buy? He bought only a few eggs.
Onions.
How many onions did he buy?
He bought only
a few
Onions. Bananas.
How many bananas did he buy? He bought only a few bananas.
Okay. Rice.
How much rice did he buy? He bought only a little rice.
Cheese.
How much cheese did he buy? He bought only a little cheese.
Okay. And lemons.
How many lemons did he buy? He bought only a few lemons.
Fish.
How much fish did he buy? He bought only a little
Fish.
Fish.
Grapes.
How many grapes did
How
he
many
buy?
did he buy?
He bought only a few grapes.
Okay, meat.
How much meat did he buy? He bought only a little meat.
Tomatoes.
How many tomatoes did he buy? He bought only a few tomatoes.
အဲ့တော့ဒီကတော့ဒါလေးကိုဟိုလုပ်ပြီးတော့စဉ်းစားကြည့်အောင် yesterday I went shopping. Okay, in Mandalay. I went to the supermarket and I bought some groceries. အဲ့တော့ဦးဇင်းတို့ကမေးမှာပေါ့ပန်းသီးဝယ်ခဲ့သလားဆိုရင်ဝယ်ခဲ့သလားဆို did you buy ဟုတ်ပြီနော် did you buy any apples ဟုတ်ပြီနော် did you buy any apples yes I bought some apples ပန်းသီးနည်းနည်းတော့တချို့တော့ဝယ်ခဲ့တယ်အဲ့မှာ how many လို့မေးမလားဘယ်လောက်ဝယ်ခဲ့ဘယ်နှလုံးဝယ်ခဲ့တယ်လဲ how many apples
How many
Apple did he buy?
did you ပေါ့ဒီပြီးတော့
Did you buy?
I didn't buy too many apples. I just bought only a few apples. I didn't buy too many apples. I just bought only a few apples. ဒါတပြီးတော့ဖြစ်နော်အဲ့တော့ how many apples did you buy အဲ့တပြီးတော့ကဥစဉ်ကိုမေးမယ်Within the you went to the supermarket and you bought some groceries. Okay. How much rice did you buy? I didn't buy.
I didn't buy.
Two.
I didn't buy
Too much la. Too many la. How much rice did you buy?
rice.
How much rice?
Rice. Man or rice or
Much. I didn't buy too much.
I didn't buy too much.
Too much rice. I only bought
I only bought
a little, a few la.
A little.
A little.
I only bought
A little rice. So how much rice did you buy? I didn't.
I didn't buy any.
Too many. Sorry, too much
I didn't buy too much rice.
rice. I only bought
I only bought a little rice.
a little rice. Obviously, how many onions did you buy?
I didn't
I didn't buy
too many onions.
onions. I bought only
I bought only a few onions.
okay. Then how many lemons did you buy?
I didn't buy too many lemon.
I only bought
I only bought. So I only bought a few lemon.
a few lemons. Lemons my S then, huh? Okay, so how much salt did you buy?
I didn't buy how much
Too much
too much
salt.
salt. I only
bought
a little salt.
Okay, then how much fish did you buy?
So I didn't buy too many pig.
Fish.
I bought.
Only
I only bought.
I bought only I bought only a little
I bought only a little
fish.
Fish.
Obviously, how many grapes did you buy?
I didn't buy too
Many.
many grapes.
I bought
only only a few
A
grapes.
few grapes ဟုတ်ပြီတော့ပါပါနော်ကဲအဲ့ဒါဆိုရင်ဆရာလေးကတစ်ခုမေးကြည့်တယ်မှာဒီပစ္စည်းတွေတွေကတစ်ခုပစ္စည်းတစ်ခုရွေးလိုက်
How many did you buy?
how many ပါတော့ဗျ
How many fish did you buy?
fish ဆိုရင် how many လား
How much?
how much fish
How much? How much did you buy?
how much fish
How much fish did you buy?
I did buy.
I didn't
I didn't buy. I didn't buy too many.
no fish ဆိုတော့
Too much.
Too much
I didn't
fish.
buy too much fish.
I bought
I bought
only
only a little fish.
ဟုတ်ပြီဦးစင်းအောင်ပစ္စည်းတစ်ခုအရင်ရွေးပြီးတော့ countable uncountable စဉ်းစားပြီးတော့ how much လား how many လားစဉ်းစား
How much coffee did you buy?
I didn't buy too much coffee. I bought only a little coffee.
ဟုတ်ပြီအဲ့ဒီထဲကဟာမဟုတ်ပဲねပြီးတော့မိကုန်းတစ်ခုမေးကြည့်မယ်တကယ်လက်တွေ့ဟာဟုတ်ပြီ how much money do you have with you with you တဲ့အခုပါတာကိုပြောတာ how much money do you have with you I don't have la I have
I have many. I have two.
I have
Too many.
အများကြီးမရှိဘူးလို့ပြောချင်တာလားအများကြီးပါတယ်လို့ပြောချင်တာလားအများကြီး I don't have
I don't
I
have. I don't have
so နည်းနည်းလေးဆို I have a little
a little
money
money.
money
Money.
I have only a little
only
a little
a little money.
money okay Yale how many books do you have now I have
I have
only a few
I have only a few books.
a few books ဟုတ်ပြီနော် countable uncountable ကိုစဉ်းစားကြပါနော် how မှာပြောလို့ listening အပိုင်းမှာ listening တွေရပြီးတော့ဟိုဟာတွေ listening တွေပို့ပြပါမယ် cake fish ဟုတ်ပြီနော် cake ကအဲ့တော့ how much how many နဲ့တွားကြည့်အောင် one က how much cake two က
How much fish?
how much fish three
How many
cookies cheese
How much cheese?
carrots
How many carrots?
potatoes
How many potatoes?
milk
How much milk?
meatballs
How many meatballs?
meatballs eggs
How many eggs?
rice
How much rice?
oranges
How many oranges?
lemonade
Many lemonade.
how much
How much lemonade?
butter
How much?
how much
How much
butter french fries
How many French fries?
fries?
okay salad
Salads.
how much
salads?
salad lemons
How many
many
lemons?
how about you did you buy နေတဲ့ထည့်သုံးကြည့်အောင် number 1အပြန်စမယ် how much cake
How much
How
cake
much cake did
did you
you buy?
buy?
How much?
how much fish
How much fish
did you buy cookies
How many
How many?
cookies how
How
many
many
cookies
did you buy?
cheese
How much cheese did you buy? How many
how many carrots
How many carrots did you buy?
potatoes
How many potatoes did you
potatoes
buy?
did you
How
buy
much
meat
fish did you buy?
How many?
How many
how many
How many
meatballs
Meatball did you
meatballs did you
buy?
buy? How
How
many
many
eggs did you buy?
How much
rice
rice did you buy?
How many oranges did you buy?
How much lemonade?
Lemonade.
How much lemonade did you buy? How much
Butter
did you buy? How many
French fries.
fries did you buy? How much
Salad.
did you buy? How many
Lemons.
lemons did you buy?
Abi.ဟုတ်ပြီအဲ့တော့ cake မှာတိတ်အများကြီးမဝယ်ခဲ့ဘူးဆိုရင် I didn't buy ဟုတ်ပြီနော် I didn't buy too much cake ဟုတ်တယ်နော် I didn't buy too much cake fish ကြတော့ I didn't buy
too much
fish cookies
I didn't buy too many cookies.
cheese
I didn't buy too much cheese.
carrots
I didn't buy too many carrots.
potatoes
I didn't buy too many
potatoes milk
I didn't buy too much meat.
meatballs
I didn't buy too many meatballs.
eggs
I didn't buy too many eggs.
rice
I didn't buy too much rice.
oranges
I didn't buy too many oranges.
lemonade
I didn't buy too much lemonade.
butter
I didn't buy too much butter.
French fries
I didn't buy too many fries.
too many
Too many
French fries salad
I didn't buy too much salads.
lemons
I didn't buy too many lemons.
Robbie. I bought only a little cake ဟုတ်တယ်နော် a little cake cookies ဆိုရင် only a few
Only a few
cookies
cookies.
ကဲ cake ကပြန်စားအောင် I bought only
I bought
I bought
only
only
a little
cake.
cake. I
I
bought
bought
only a little piece.
piece.
I bought only a few cookies. I bought only a little cheese. I bought a few
I bought
I
only
bought only a few carrots. I bought only a few potatoes. I bought only a little milk. I bought only a few meatballs. I bought only a few eggs. I bought only a little rice. I bought only a few oranges. I bought only a little lemonade. I bought only a little butter. I bought only a few
French fries
French
French fries
fries. I bought only a little salad. I bought only a few lemons.
bought နေရာမှာ I have ဟုတ်ပြီနော် I only have a little cake I only have a little fish I only have a few cookies ဒီလိုသွားတာပေါ့ဟုတ်ပြီနော်eat ဆိုရင်ရော I only
have eat.
I only eat
I only eat.
cheese ဆိုရင်
And cheese. I only
eat
eat
cheese.
cheese.
a little cheese
A little cheese.
နည်းနည်းလေးပဲစားတာပါနော် I only eat a little cheese အများကြီးမစားပါဘူးမစားခဲ့ပါဘူးဆိုရင် sorry I only ate a little cheese အများကြီးမစားခဲ့ပါဘူးဆိုရင် I didn't eat I didn't eat
I didn't eat
too much
too much
cheese
cheese.
too much cheese အဲ့ဒါတပည့်တော်ပြောတဲ့မြန်မာလိုဟာလေးကိုရေးကြည့်အောင်နော်ငါ carrots နည်းနည်းပဲဝယ်ခဲ့တာပါ carrots နည်းနည်းပဲဝယ်ခဲ့တာပါ carrots နည်းနည်းပဲဝယ်ခဲ့တာပါ လို့ရေးလိုက်လဲ I bought only a few a little စဉ်းစား a few carrots ဟုတ်ပြီ အဲ့တော့ carrots အများကြီးမဝယ်ခဲ့ပါဘူးအများကြီးမဝယ်ခဲ့ပါဘူး I didn't buy too much လား too many လား
too many
carrots I didn't buy too many carrots ဟုတ်ပြီ milk ကိုအဲ့လိုရေးကြည့်ပါအောင်ဗျာဝယ်တဲ့ကိစ္စ
I bought only
a little milk
I didn't
buy too much milk.
milk အဘိနောက်တစ်ခုပြရတော့တောက်တာဆိုရင် drink နော် have to have drink drink lemonade အများကြီးမတောက်ခဲ့ပါဘူးနည်းနည်းပဲတောက်ခဲ့တာပါအများကြီးမတောက်ခဲ့ပါဘူး I drank only a little lemonade I drank only a little lemonade I didn't drink too much lemonade တော့ဘာလဲ countable uncountable the people ဆိုလူတွေဟုတ်ပြီနော်မြင်တာ see ကမြင်တာ the past form က saw လူနည်းနည်းလေးပဲမြင်ပါတယ်အများကြီးမမြင်ခဲ့ပါဘူးအဲ့ဒါကြည့်ကြည့်အောင် I saw ကစား I saw the more I didn't see ပေါ့ I saw
only
a few
people I saw only a few people
I didn't see too many
I didn't see a lot I didn't see many people too many people ဆိုလူတွေအလုံးအကျွအများကြီးမမြင်ခဲ့ပါဘူးနော် I didn't see many people ဆိုရင်အများကြီးမမြင်ခဲ့ပါဘူး ဒီအခန်းထဲမှာဆိုရင်ဘယ်လိုပြောလဲဒီအခန်းထဲမှာ in this room ရှိတာမရှိတာပြောရင် there is there are နော် လူဆိုတာ people
people.
လူတွေအများကြီးရှိတယ်အလွန်ကျွံဖြစ်နေတာဘယ်လိုရေးရှိတာစလိုက်
There is
is
လူအများကြီး there are
there are
there are
များလွန်းနေတာ
so many people
the two ပါထည့်လိုက် two
too many
There are too many people
in this
in
room
this
in this
room
room.
ပြောကြည့်ပါဦး there are
there are too many people in this room
homework က countable လား uncountable လား
Uncountable.
uncountable
uncountable အဲ့တော့လွန်ကျွံဆိုရင် too much လား too many လား
Too much.
too much ဟုတ်ပြီနော်ဟုတ်ပြီငါတို့မှာရှိတယ် we have
We have
ဘာလို့မရှိလဲ we have
လွန်တာများလွန်းတာ
We have
too
too
much.
too much
we have too
Homework.
much
homework
homework
ဟုတ်ပြီနော် noise noise ဆိုတာသိလား noise ဆိုတာစုညံတာ there is တုံးလား there are လားတုံးလား
there is
there is
There is.
uncountable အဲ့တော့စုညံတာတွေကများလွန်းတယ်
There is
too
too
noise.
much. Too much
too
noise.
much
too much noise
noise ဟုတ်ပြီ there is too much noise ကလေးတွေများလွန်းတယ်
too much there
There are too many children.
children problem ဆိုတာသိလား
children
ပြဿနာ countable လား uncountable လား problems
Uncountable.
problems
Countable.
countable ငါမှာပြဿနာတွေအများကြီးလွန်တယ်ကွာရှိတယ်
Mama.
ငါမှာရှိတာ I have
I have too much
I have too much problem.
countable လေ
too many
Too many
many
problems.
I have too
I
many
have too many
I
problems
have too many problems
များလွန်းတယ်ဆိုရင် too ထည့်လိုက်တာနော်များတယ်ပြောရင် too မထည့်တော့အဲ့တော့ငါမှာတကယ်ချင်းနေအများကြီးရှိတယ်များလွန်းတယ်မပြောအဲ့ဒါဆိုရင်ဘယ်လိုပြော I have
so I have
I have
many
many
friends
friends.
ဒါပဲဟုတ်ပြီနော် I have many friends ပဲများလွန်းတယ်တော့တကယ်ချင်းပဲပြောပါမယ်နော် I have too many friends ဆိုပြောမှာမဟုတ်ဘူးကဲအဲ့ဒါဆိုရင်တော့ပါ
Many